right, Demetrius. So here's your writing about the extinction of aqua animals, as you call it, or the prompt was why humans need to stop pollution. What were you thinking when you wrote your persuasive essay?
Persuasive essay, I was thinking that everybody was putting stuff in storm drains. Putting stuff in storm drains and going to the ocean and stuff.
Okay. What were you trying to persuade the reader to think?
To think that they should stop polluting waters.
Why? What made you think of that? I think I remember you mentioning something about the frogs video we watched.
Oh yeah, they get mutated.
Animals in the water?
Sometimes they die.
Okay, so you remember watching that video and that really changed your mind about pollution?
Yes.
So is that why you decided to use that example and those facts to support why humans need to stop pollution? Okay, well, I definitely noticed you made really good use of the model of the mentor text, especially in terms of how you use your opinions and fact sentences. I actually highlighted your own writing, Demetrius, right here, and it matches the same pattern that the model text or mentor text has, where you wrote a couple of sentences that were opinions, and then you supported it with your facts, and then you ended your thoughts with your opinion again. So that was a really good use of opinion and fact sentences, and copying the way they organized it in your mentor text. I'm going to teach you actually a strategy that I already taught you, but we're going to do it a different way. I taught you the webbing strategy to add more details when you're revising your work, right?
Yes.
So today when we make our web, we're only going to write facts and opinions, okay? So we're going to start with the opinion that I think humans should not pollute water, and then you're going to circle all your opinions, and then if they're facts, you won't circle them, so that when you're going back and using your webbing to add more details to your writing, you can clearly see, oh, the circled thoughts, ideas are opinions, and you can clearly see that the ones that are not circled are facts. Does that make sense to you? Okay, so I'm going to start off by adding some facts to this opinion. I think humans should not pollute water, and I want you to help me put some down. We wrote, humans are polluting their own water that they use for living and drinking. Is that a fact or opinion?
That's a fact.
How can you tell?
Because people drink water.
I know, but how can you tell in this webbing strategy? Is it circled? Is it circled right here?
No.
So we know that's a fact. What about humans should not use gas and oil cars? Is that an opinion or a fact?
Opinion.
How do you know?
Because it's circled.
Because it's circled, okay? So when we did our first conference together, we added to this and we came up with 4 different opinions, and how many more facts? More facts or less facts than opinions?
A lot of facts.
A lot of facts. And when we first talked about writing our persuasive essay, you told me and Nandi told me that the sentences that really changed your mind and persuaded you to think the way that the writer was thinking were the facts, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I need you to add to your writing using this webbing strategy, but this webbing strategy that we altered so you can clearly see what facts you can add and what opinions you can add. What opinion do you think you're going to work with? Which one did you choose? Humans should not use gas and oil cars. And then you're going to use the facts that are off of this to support that opinion, right? Okay, so go ahead and you can add your details using your webbing strategy. Cool? Thank you, Demetrius.